Hi, my name is Jamiro Blue,
And my name is LaDasia Morgan.
and today we'll be presenting to you basic statistical techniques. The date is September 11, 2016, and this is Activity 2 in our Management Statistics 239 course.
Today we will talk about frequency tables, frequency distribution, bar charts, and pie charts.
This is our real estate data. We will refer to this data a couple times in our presentation as we use it to create examples of pie chart, bar charts, frequency tables, and etc.
What is a frequency table? A frequency table is defined as a grouping of qualitative data into a mutual exclusive classes, showing the number of observations in each class.
For example, the real estate data shows the price of a house, the amount of bedrooms, if it has a pool, and how many garage spaces and how many baths. This is our example of the frequency table using the data provided from the real estate data. Our table shows the price of the house and the amount of bedrooms. It also shows the cumulative total of bedrooms provided from the selected data.
Relative frequency distribution. Frequency distribution is defined as a mathematical function showing the number of instances in which a variable takes each of its possible values. To find the relative frequency distribution, we have to divide each of the class frequencies by the total number of observations.
For example, if you refer back to the data provided about the real estate, and if we wanted to find the frequency of bathrooms in a house, we would divide the number of baths in the house we are focused on by the total number of bathrooms from all houses.
Bar charts. A bar chart is the most common graphic form to present a qualitative variable.
A bar chart is defined as a graph that shows qualitative classes on the horizontal axis and the class frequencies on the vertical axis. The class frequencies are proportional to the heights of the bars. This is our bar chart example using the real estate data. As we did this, we created a bar chart that shows the size of the houses in square feet and the house number.
Pie chart. A pie chart is the most useful way to describe qualitative information. A pie chart is defined as a chart that shows proportion or percentages that each class represents of the total number of frequencies.
For example, we can use the real estate data to create a pie chart by displaying what percentages of houses are one bedroom, what percentages are two bedroom, what percentages are three bedroom, and etc.
The source that we used was the statistics textbook.
Our summary. So what we wanted you guys to know today is a frequency table is a grouping of qualitative data into mutually exclusive classes showing the number of observations of each class.
Next, a relative frequency table shows the fraction of number of frequency in each class.
Also, a bar chart is a graphic representation of a frequency table.
A pie chart shows the proportion of each distance class represents of the total number of frequencies.
And lastly, a frequency distribution is a grouping of data into mutually exclusive classes showing the number of observations in each class. The steps to constructing a frequency distribution are: first, you must decide on the number of classes. Second, you must determine the class interval. Third, you must set the individual class limits. Fourth, tally the raw data into classes. And fifth, count the number of tallies in each class. Thank you for watching our video.
Thank you.